Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the core features. Open your phone or GPS, update the navigation app, and go straight to text-to-speech settings. Once there, download a natural voice and set it as default. You want a voice installed before routing. Make sure the app has location and notification permissions so spoken directions can run in the background. Now connect the device to your car or headset. Do this now so audio routing is correct when you test the navigation. Once done, open your navigation app and select the installed TTS voice for spoken directions. This ties the synthetic voice to turn-by-turn prompts. Next, set audio priority so navigation overrides music. Aim for about 70% navigation prominence in the app or system mixer. Then choose the correct output: Bluetooth device, car aux, or phone speaker. Make sure paired devices show as media audio. Finally, start a short route and listen for the cue tone to confirm the routing is working. You finish by running a brief test route and listening for real-time instructions so you can confirm timing and pronunciation. If you hear nothing, first check the app's audio output, Bluetooth media profile, and that do not disturb isn't blocking sounds. If problems persist, restart the navigation app and your device, then reinstall the voice package or switch to an alternative TTS engine. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle media audio off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.